a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue. Okay, so those of you who have been watching me as of late, whenever it's a unit that I purchase with my own coins, I like to do subscriber shout outs, and I feel like I may have gotten kind of off base because I can't really y'all have the memory of a flea, okay? So I can't really remember everybody that I've done. So I started writing them down recently, which is what I should have been doing, child. Don't judge me. So if you see your name twice, then honey, that just means you showing me extra love, and I'm going to show you some extra love, okay? Just don't judge me, girl. So I want to do a subscriber shout out in this video to my girl Plus Size Barbie. Shout out to you, boo. You constantly showing me love, and I really do appreciate it. I also want to mention that Plus Size Barbie does have her own channel, and I would recommend you guys checking out her channel. She is absolutely gorgeous. She is absolutely amazing. Shout out to you, boo. I truly do appreciate all the love that you are showing me. So y'all definitely go and check out her channel. If you have a channel and you know you support me, I will also shout out your channel, and I'll put a direct link to your channel down below in the description box. Now honey, if I forget, somebody remind me in the comments. Cynthia, Kristen, one of y'all, somebody let me know down below in the comments so I can remember to put her channel in the description box, because I want you guys to show her love. Now we can get into this video. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking is a wig that I caught with my own coins. Okay, you guys know I like to shout out myself when it's a unit that I caught with my own coins. Okay, so shout out Chrissy, go Chrissy, go Chrissy. Okay, shout out to me. So the unit that I am wearing is by Outre. It is in the style, it's from the Fab and Fly collection, and I do have it in the style Hh-Mabel. And I do have on here bleach dye customized. So is it supposed to be a human hair wig? Child. Yeah, it's supposed to be a human hair wig. I wish I would have known that. I would have, you know, done a little more, but I ain't know at the time, so don't judge me. And I do have it in the color Natural Brown. Child, that should have been my first clue. The model is wearing the color Natural Black, and I didn't see a natural black, or I just didn't get a natural black. I don't know, but it says 100% unprocessed human hair, breathable mesh cap, comfortable and secure fit, voluminous and full, easy to wear and style, bleach and dye friendly. So you are supposed to be able to bleach and dye this unit, and this is what old girl looks like on the stock card. And I feel like on the stock card, she looks absolutely amazing. And because it looks so cute on her, I was like, child, let me get it. Okay, but sometimes these models be come through and showing okay. And I feel like I like this. We'll get into it later. But anyways, this unit only comes with one comb and adjustable straps. That one comb is in the back of the wig. Obviously, with this wig, there's no shedding or any tangling because, honey, she's that long, okay? She's that long, so I wouldn't expect her to shed or tangle. If she did, then we would really have a problem. But she does none of the things, and in my opinion, this unit is a big head friendly. But honey, Child, that's just my opinion. I feel like this unit is definitely big head friendly. I am an average cap size, so I always go off if something is big head friendly based on if I have to adjust the straps or not. With this wig, I did have to adjust the straps, so in my opinion, she is big head friendly. But honey, you can go off what you want to go off of, okay? I can only speculate, so I wanted to throw that out there as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. If you are interested in how I feel about this unit as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so I honestly am feeling this unit better now, but this wig, I feel like I like it better when I look at myself in the mirror versus when I look at myself on this camera. I feel like you can't see the spacing, and with certain units, you know, like this sort of spacing, I feel like you can't really see it with this wig, especially with my light and all that good stuff. But, or maybe I'm in denial when I look in the mirror, child, and she looks like what she looks like on camera. But I will say this, since I flattened it, and how I flattened this wig, and I meant to show you guys, and then I forgot to show you when I put it on, but I put on this scarf because the wig was a lot more, you know, kind of up. And I know, seal the deal, you always come for me about, oh, I thought you would cut it and do all of that. I try not to do extra stuff if I can help it, especially with a unit that's supposed to be convenient, because I feel like the point of getting a convenient wig is to not have to do the extra stuff. And most of us are not hairstylists. Child, me, I am nobody's hairstylist, okay? So I always like to say that with my channel, because I try to do stuff that I feel like everybody can do, because if I can do it, you can do it. That is pretty much the theme of my channel with wigs. So I try not to do too much, you know, like a whole lot of extra stuff, because I ain't that girl, okay? I didn't go to school for cosmetology. That is not my thing. So I didn't want to have to do any extra stuff to this wig if I could help it. And so I just literally flattened it down, and that was it. But mind you, I also didn't know at the time that this was a human hair wig. I probably would have added a little mousse and done some extra stuff to it. Not a whole lot of extra stuff, just extra stuff that you can do yourself. But I would have did a little bit more than what I did, okay? But yeah, I just applied the scarf and it flattened it on the top, because that was sort of the look I wanted to go for. But it's a lot of hair. Like, this hair is pretty long. So if you don't want to go for that look, you don't have to go for that look with this unit. You can just do it how you want to do it. So that is always a plus. So yeah, with this wig, I am feeling it now. I don't know how much I paid for it, but it being a human hair wig, I'm guessing probably between $25 and $28. Even though it's short, I'm guessing it was around that. I'm not 100% sure. I'll probably add it in the video or something like that so you guys can see, but I want to say it was probably around that pricing. But I do feel like it's worth it. I think it's a really, really cute, short pixie wig. At first it was giving me hat, like not like a hat wig, but actually a hat. Okay, so it took me a minute to kind of play with it. It was just really reminding me. It's a picture of my aunt. Auntie Lynn, if you see this video, don't be mad. But it's a picture of my aunt back in the 90s when my uncle and my aunt got married. Not the aunt that I'm talking about, but when my uncle and his wife got married. My aunt was in the wedding picture and she had on this hair. Mind you, this is the early 90s, but it looked like a hat. And that's what it was giving me at first. And I was like, oh no, ma'am, we can't do that. Okay, we cannot do that. But after I flattened it and played with it a little bit, it definitely came into what I really like, my style of unit. So yeah, I am feeling it. Plus, honey, who's to say the 90s ain't making a comeback, okay? So yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's a look. I have no issues with this wig unless it's expensive. If it's expensive, child, let me just look. Girl, actually this wig is $19.94, so I take it all back, okay? I take it all back. I feel like this unit is definitely fine, especially for the price and especially for it to be a human hair wig. So shout out to you, Outre, okay? That changed everything. Like, if this wig was $30, I'd have been like, you know, you can find another human hair wig for that, okay? But because it's a human hair wig, is $19, and it's a good amount of hair, enough for you to do other things with it if you want to curl it up. to do whatever you want to with this wig. I would say this is actually a steal. So yeah, I am definitely feeling it. Shout out to you, Outre. You came through with the come through. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 because obviously I don't have to do a lint check because this is it. No Michael Jackson. So after we do the full 360, we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Don't judge my kitchen, honey. Worry about your own kitchen. Don't judge mine, okay? Because I know it's a mess. I know it is. And this is it on the right side. And if it seems poofy at anywhere, like on this unit whatsoever, that is a team my bad, not team the wigs bag. That's team Chrissy bad, okay? Because child, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. It has grown out and yeah, it's just a mess, and I'm thinking about reshaving it. We'll get into that in another video. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about this unit down below in the comments. Just sound off in the comments. Let me know if you feeling it. Let me know if you own this wig and what you did to it, how you styled it, all of that. Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested in hearing what you guys think about it, so do that. And if you're interested in purchasing it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box because it looks like it's still in stock, okay? So if you are interested, then yeah, I'll have it down there. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Lately I've been low, losing all control. Henny with the